How to install ChatGPT-4 plugins. Hi guys, so in this video, I'll teach you how to install ChatGPT-4 plugins. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, what we need to do is to head over to our browser and just search for ChatGPT-4 plugins. And then you can see this first link right here, so just click on that, and then this will open this page right here. So what you need to do is just click this Join Plugins waitlist. And then once you have clicked that, you can see that you can join waitlist by adding in here your name, your last name, email, country of residence, and all of that. So let's try to actually build this up. And then would you be willing to provide feedback? Click on yes. And then what types of use cases or new plugins do you want to see built? Like I would love a plugin that will assist me So after that, just click on this I want to try. And you can also click this I am a developer. And you can just type in here and what do you want to make it public informed, company name, company size. And then after that, just click on join waitlist right there in order to join the waitlist on your ChatGPT. So from in there, if you click on this product right here, so let's click on overview of this. You can see that there's a lot of models of ChatGPT that you need to choose from. So if you click on developers right here, and if you click on this overview, you can see a lot of quick start tutorial on the OpenAI platform. So if you want to install ChatGPT plugin, you need to know what ChatGPT you need to have. So in here, you can see the build an application, embeddings, and all of that. You can learn all of it and be a developer in order to master your ChatGPT plugin waitlist. So just do all of that and that should be able to install ChatGPT-4 plugin once you have been granted access as a developer. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to install ChatGPT-4 plugins. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, do not forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.